Okay, I put a selection of my walking canes, walking sticks, staffs as well. Well, exactly when, but I'll eventually get around to showing y'all, or actually working on one of these where y'all can see me actually coming along with the process. This one in particular. But actually this is right here is the chuck that I'm working on. I'm actually go through stages of showing y'all really how to build one or actually make one. I'm using it for a lathe jig where I'm taking my drill and actually turning it into a lathe, you know. I got a stock built and everything, but this is going to be the chuck that actually holds the piece within the stock as it rotates, you know. Well, let me go ahead and get started and show. Actually, start with the procedure. Give you kind of an idea of where I've been going with this so far. I've drilled my holes already, these two, and I got this one, and I got this side also to do. And then we'll be able to put this baby on and see what it does. You know, me personally, I'm anxious to see what it's going to do and what it's going to turn. You know, give me a couple of pieces of wood or something, turn them and see what they come out looking like. So I'll put this on. But yeah. Okay, now we done. We're done. I'm getting ready to do the screws in this baby. See how it rotates. Before I do that, I got to make little indentions right there. See right here? You see right here, I'm doing the last one. And well, actually not the last hole. I'm on the last edge of it. And it's good to get something like this, so you can hold this. Trust me. You don't want to mess around and mess up your fingers. Probably wondering what I was doing with the drill. What I was doing is making me a point. Screw threads. That way I can take and screw it straight through it. See that? I'm doing it. Come out of the other side. Like that. And I got my 4 corners in there. It's gonna hold my piece in the center. You kind of example. You miss that. You got a piece like this, put it in the center like that. Screw hold it there, screw hold it there, there. Got all 4 corners locked. That bad boy get locked in and it's spinning. There's some pretty good pieces. Alright, we continue with my shell. Okay. End result. I had to like speed up the action. I was telling y'all about my 4 corners. Now, honestly, this shit is dangerous. But at the same time, it gets the job done. Give you an example of what I'm talking about.